Dear student, welcomes you all in your YouTube channel SS Science Academy. Today we have to see State Council of Educational Research and Training Maharashtra Pune Preparatory Bridge Course Test number 1 of class 5th of Subject Environmental Studies Part 1 having mark 10 based on activity sheet number 1 to 8 which have 30 minutes. So let's get started. The question first A is mark a tick in front of animals which are born from their mother's tummy. Here goat and human are the animals which are born from their mother's tummy. The second question is identify the odd one. This is also have 1 mark. The first is food, clothes, soil, air. Here clothes is the odd man out. And second is dam, borewell, old tanks, panpoi. Here borewell is the odd. Now the first C is complete the correlation. It also have 1 mark, which means question 1 have 3 marks. That is complete the correlation. Rain, raincoat. Then winter means sweater. Heavy rainfall, rice. Medium rainfall means jawar. Now the question number 2. Write which substances dissolve in water and which float on water from the substance given below. It has 2 marks. Here some substances are given. You have to classify them into water soluble and water floating. So dissolving substances are khadi sakhar or khadi shakkar. Floating substances are ice, seed of lemon, matchstick. Question third is if your mother throws out leftover water from the previous day, then what would you suggest to her? It also have 1 mark. I will try to tell her that water never becomes stale. The question 4 is write the dishes prepared with the help of following crops. It also have 1 mark. Jawar. From jawar we can make bhakri. And rice. From rice we can make rice, khichdi, idli, dosa, etc. Now the question number 5, rewrite the correct statement. It has 2 marks. 2 statements are given. The first statement is microbes present in water get killed by filtration. So the microbes present in water get killed by bleaching powder. The second statement is one should remove husk from the floor while preparing chapati. The correct statement is one should not remove husk from the floor while preparing chapati. The last question of this test is arrange the following agricultural work in a proper sequence. It also have 1 mark. Preparation of soil is first, second is ploughing, third is sowing, 4 is harvesting and 5th is threshing. Here your test number 1 is finished. To appreciate us, please subscribe our channel, share the link of video, and if you have any queries regarding this test, then please comment us in a comment section. So we will meet in the next test number 2. Till then, be safe.